Hello everyone! In this video, I want to show you my trading using two indicators, alligator and MACD. I will also pay attention to the market trends and levels of support and resistance. My initial deposit for today is $30 and I want to increase it to $5,000. So be sure to watch this video to the end and see if I can do it or not. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave a comment. And if you want to get profitable signals, message me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where I'll show you how to make money. My Telegram nickname you'll find in the pinned comment. Now let's analyze the case on the chart and find the first entry point. First we had a flat price, then the chart went up, forming the highest point on the chart where I marked the yellow line. Further, the price could not go higher and moved in a downtrend with periodic pullbacks and is now trading below the flat zone from where it began its growth. At the same time, on the alligator indicator, we see that the green moving average crossed the other two lines from top to bottom when the price made a reversal near the yellow level. And all this time, the moving averages of the indicator are moving down, which confirms the relevance of the downward trend. In addition, on the MACD oscillator, the moving averages are located below the zero level, and the main line crosses the signal line from top to bottom. Taking into account also the update of the minimum on the chart and the price movement mainly with red candles, as well as the price gap on the chart. On the price pullback, I opened a trade for a fall for $30 for 1 minute. As you can see, the entry point was chosen successfully because our trade closes lower and we make a profit. The chart after a little trading showed a more impulsive downward movement. At the same time, the moving averages of alligator has been pointing down for a long time and the distance between them increases, which indicates the strength of the trend. On the MACD oscillator, the moving averages are below zero. The main line crossed the signal line from top to bottom some time ago and still continues to move under it. Given the overall bearish trend, I think that the price will continue to fall. Therefore, after a slight pullback up, I open a trade for $55 for a further price fall for 1 minute. As we can see, despite the price slowdown, we managed to close our trade below the entry point and make money. After a small flat near the next important level for the price, the chart goes down, breaking through this level with red candles. At the same time, we see that on alligator, the moving averages are still moving down at a sufficient distance from each other. And on the MACD indicator, the moving averages have been moving below zero for a long time. And at the same time, the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom, which indicates the continuation of the downward movement. Therefore, I open a trade for $102 for a fall for 2 minutes. We see that there is a fall on the chart, thus we make a profit from this trade, so let's find the next entry point. As you can see, after a small trade at the formed lowest point on the chart, the price begins to grow with solid green candles. At the same time, on the MACD oscillator, moving averages are below zero, but the main green moving average crossed the signal line from the bottom up, which indicates that the bearish trend is fading. And on alligator, the green moving line has already crossed the yellow line from the bottom up. In addition, the resistance level is located above, to which the price may continue to rise. Perhaps there will be a trading near this level, therefore I think that I will be able to take a small upward movement and open a trade with the entire deposit for 1 minute for a price raise. As you can see, the entry point turned out to be really good and we make a profit. So without much effort, we chose a good entry point and made money. In my closed channel, I will share the same profitable signals with you. You'll just have to repeat after me. No bonuses, no strange currency. You will make real money, which you can easily withdraw or spend on whatever you want. So send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you. Look for my Telegram nickname in the pinned comments. So now let's see what happens in the market next. The price has been trading flat for several minutes near the resistance level. I'm waiting for clearer movements on the chart to open the next trade. At the same time, we see that the moving averages on the MACD oscillator are located above the zero level, which in this case speaks in favor of price growth. Then I see that the green moving average of alligator still goes above the other lines, and on the MACD, the main line crosses the signal line from the bottom up, considering also that a couple of candles have already closed above this level. I think that the chart will show growth and I open a trade for $348. There's a slight price increase on the chart and we managed to make a profit. So let's look at the next market case. A downtrend was formed on the chart. The alligator moving averages, with the exception of the pullback zone, are moving down all the time, which also indicates the relevance of the downward movement. On the MACD, both lines are located below the zero level, and at the same time, the main line moves below the signal line. I think that the price will continue its fall, so after the impulse red candle on the chart, I open a trade for $644 for 2 minutes, since I think that during this time the price is more likely to have time to show a good fall. As you can see, my scenario worked and we make a profit. Then the chart slows down its movement and I see that the impulse green candle is starting to grow. At the same time, the moving averages on the MACD, although they move below the zero level, but the main line crosses the signal line from the bottom up and moves away from it quite strongly, which indicates a fading or even a trend change. And on the alligator indicator, the moving average crosses the yellow line from the bottom up. I think that I will be able to take the upward movement at least to the previous maximum on the chart and open a trade for $1,204 for 1 minute. As you can see, the entry point was chosen successfully and we managed to make money. We see that there was a price reversal on the chart and now the upward movement is in priority. This is also indicated by the alligator indicator, the moving averages of which are located quite widely apart from each other and are directed upwards, and the MACD indicator where the moving averages cross the zero level. At the same time, the main line moves over the signal line for a long time, also considering that there is an important level for the price above to which the chart can still continue to grow. I open a trade for price growth as well. The price already made a pullback, after which it continued to go up, so nothing prevents it from growing higher. The amount of my trade is $2,252. The time is 1 minute. We see that during this time there's a small growth on the chart and we make a profit. Now let's find another entry point. As you can see, the price continued to move according to the scenario of the previous trade and reached the target level. The moving averages of alligator are still quite far from each other, and on the MACD, the lines continue to move away from the zero level, and the green line is still moving above the signal one. All this tells us about the continuation of the upward movement. On the green candle testing the level of resistance, I open a trade for a price raise. As a result, our trade closes above the entry point and we make a profit. Now I have more than $7,000 on my deposit, so my trading goal is fulfilled for today and I'm leaving the market. In this trading, you can also use these tools to choose good entry points and make money. In my closed Telegram channel, I constantly share such profitable signals, so look for my nickname in the pinned comments and message me the code word team in my Telegram, and I will add you to my channel where I'll show you how easily you can make money. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell so as not to miss important information for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.